Hi everyone, I'm back. So today's video is for all the makeup lovers who want to achieve that glass glow. Yes, today I'll be sharing my 3 secrets to achieve that glass glow skin. I invested a lot of money and my time to know the 3 secrets of makeup artist. But today I'm going to tell you without any cost, without wasting your time, those 3 secrets by which you can achieve that glass glow skin. But you have to watch till the end to know the final reveal. So let's get started. Not wasting your time, as you can see that I am done with my color correction. So if you want to know how I do my color correction, do comment and tell me. I'll make a separate video for that also. Now after color correction, let's move to the second step, that is foundation. So today I'll be using Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation. I'm taking this foundation at the back of my hand. This is very lightweight foundation, so you can easily use this in your summers. Activating it at the back of my hand only. You can also use a foundation palette, but never apply without activating your foundation. So once the activation is done, you have to apply it on your skin. Today I'm using my hand, but you can also use a beauty blender to apply this. So once all the foundation is on your face, I'm taking a damp beauty blender and I have started blending my foundation. So now tip number 1 or secret number 1 is to mix your liquid illuminator or highlighter in your foundation at this step. So today I am using Swiss Beauty highlighter, which I'll mix with my foundation for that extra glow. So 1 drop of foundation or illuminator would be enough for your face. Don't forget to cover your eyelids, your neck, your ears with the same shade of foundation. Look how seamless my foundation is looking, and it's even glowing more. This is because this one secret tip to add your liquid illuminator in your foundation will add up that glow. Now my foundation blending is almost done and you can see my face has literally started glowing. Now let's go to the next step, which is the highlighter. So today I'll be using Tarte highlighter to highlight the high points of my face. Using the same beauty blender, I am blending my highlighter. Now my highlighter blending is almost done. Now I'll set my face with the loose powder. So today I'll be using Laura Mercier translucent powder. Taking the same in the beauty blender. Dust off the excess powder and start baking your face. This will help to lock your makeup and to make it sweat proof and transfer proof. Since Laura Mercier is an expensive powder, so if you are looking for some drugstore options, then you can refer to my other video in which I have shared hack under 2000 to make your makeup transfer proof. Keep watching as I have secret number 2 to reveal just after one more step. So now I have done powder setting with the translucent powder. Next step, since the time our base is getting set with the loose powder, we can just move on to the eyes. So for eyes, I am using Bobbi Brown eyeshadow palette because I have to keep my eyes nude and very light today. So I'm just taking this light brown shade first and with very light hands I'm covering my eyelid. Similarly for the other eye. Now I'll move to the darker brown shade and in circular motion I'll cover the crease of my eye. Similarly, I'll repeat the process for the other eye. That's it. I'm not going for very dramatic eyes today. Now I will just put some kajal in my eyes and smudge it. Any small brush and smudge it a bit. This much smudging I guess is sufficient. Now for eyes I'll be just adding little bit mascara but we can fix it. You just have to take a tissue and with very light hands you have to wipe it off, and with the same blender just have to blend the product which is there on the skin already. Now mascara for the other eye, but this time being very careful. So I'm done with my mascara, and by this time my base is also set. So it's time for secret number 2. So secret number 2 is, if you feel that your base is going bit dull after applying loose powder, you can just take any light pink powder, which I'm taking from Huda Beauty today, to uplift your face. Let's just check out what happens. So I am taking some loose powder in my hand, and this is shade Cherry Blossom from Huda Beauty, and I'll just put it under my eyes. This will just brighten up your face and will change your entire makeup game. Let it sit there for 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, you can do your lips. So for lips, I am using the Mars dark brown pencil, and I have outlined my lips. Now it's time to move and towards the next step, which is your liquid blush. So I'm using the blush from Huda Beauty, and I'm taking it at the back of my hand. This is in the shade Cotton Candy, and with the same blender I will start applying. So now it's time to reveal secret number 3. Secret number 3 would be how to apply highlighter so that your skin starts glowing like a glass. So you just have to take your highlighter and damp your beauty blender with any fixing spray or hydrating spray. Today I'm using the MAC Fix Plus. Just make it bit damp, and you can take any highlighter. Today I'm using the Stila highlighter. Just put your blender on highlighter, and you have to put it like this. Once the highlighter is done, Now I have one extra secret to share with you all, but for that you have to wait for my final look. Let me just come back and tell you the final and last secret, which is all for the video lovers who watch till the end. Hi, I'm back. Now it's time to reveal final and last secret for that extra glow to your skin. So for the makeup fixer, today I'll be using Charlotte Tilbury. So this will add up your glow game and will make your face glow like a glass. With this, you can fix your makeup and add that extra glow to your skin. Now let me just show you how my skin looks. This is literally glowing like a glass. If you like this look and this video, please watch my other videos and subscribe my channel for more upcoming content. Bye.